Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily enable game mode in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is go to bottom. Next to the search button is going to be start. Right click on the start, and under task manager you're going to see settings. Click on the settings, and when you're going to be here under time and language you're going to see gaming. Click on the gaming. And then under captures, you're going to see game mode. Click on the game mode and turn it on. That's pretty much it how we do it. And this is how you can enable game mode in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, definitely write down below in the comments that it helped you. So when other people would come here and they would like to searching for how you can enable game mode in Windows 11, they know that it will be helpful. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.